So hello guys, we're in the fountain now, and look at the fountain. The champions. OMG.
Wet.
Ano na ganun sa ano na? Sa ano? Pero mas maganda pa yung sa ano.
Sa
Dubai.
Ay, nakalimutan ko guys. Ito pala ang nanay ko. Ito pala si CJ. Ito pala si Papa.
Oo, yung ano yun.
You're getting red because of the fountain.
Walk a long way. Yeah. There's no wind either. It's a swimming pool.
It's like a firework, guys. Oh, every look at that, look at that. Look at that. That is better than the letters. Woo! This is the most craziest I've seen, guys. Craziest mountain I've ever seen. Grabe na makapasa dito pa. Woo! That was so crazy. Ah! It's raining. Raining tacos. OMG, it's raining. I'm gonna go here. It's raining. It's raining. Woo! OMG, guys. That was so crazy. And happy 10 subs.